In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to ungroup free vector images in PowerPoint so you can edit every individual shape, color, and element inside the graphic. If you've downloaded a free vector icon or illustration and you can't seem to modify individual parts of it, chances are it's grouped together. The good news is that ungrouping it is quick and easy once you know where to click. I'll walk you through it step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple PowerPoint tips and tricks. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. You can either open a new blank presentation or load an existing file that already contains the vector image you want to edit. Once your presentation is open, navigate to the slide where your free vector image is placed. Now, click on the object that you want to ungroup. This could be an icon, illustration, or any vector graphic that was inserted into PowerPoint. When you select it, you should see a bounding box appear around the entire image. This indicates that all the elements are currently grouped together as one single object. With the object selected, look at the top of your screen in the PowerPoint ribbon. You need to click on the Format tab that appears under Drawing Tools. In some versions of PowerPoint, this may simply say Shape Format or Graphic Format, depending on the type of vector you inserted. The important thing is that the Format-related tab becomes visible only after selecting the object, so make sure the image is actively selected. After clicking on the Format tab, move your attention to the Arrange group in the ribbon. Inside this section, you'll see an option labeled Group. Click on the Group button and a small drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down menu, select Ungroup. As soon as you click Ungroup, PowerPoint will separate the vector image into its individual components. In some cases, especially with SVG files, PowerPoint may ask you to confirm that you want to convert the image into a Microsoft Office drawing object. If you see this prompt, click Yes. This allows PowerPoint to break the vector into editable shapes. Once ungrouped, click anywhere on the image again. Now, instead of selecting the entire illustration, you'll be able to click on individual shapes within the design. For example, if it's an icon with multiple colors, you can now select just one colored section and change its fill color, outline, size, or even delete it completely. If the image still seems grouped after the first attempt, don't worry. Sometimes vector graphics need to be ungrouped more than once. Simply repeat the same process. Select the object, go to the Format tab, click Group, and choose Ungroup again. After doing this, you should have full control over every separate element. Now you can fully customize your vector image. You can recolor specific parts, resize individual shapes, move elements around, or even add effects like shadows and gradients. This is especially useful when you want your graphics to match your brand colors or presentation theme perfectly. One important thing to keep in mind is that once you ungroup and edit the vector, it may no longer behave as a single object unless you group it back together. If you're done editing and want to move the image as one piece again, simply select all the elements, go back to the Format tab, click Group, and choose Group. And that's it. That's how you ungroup free vector images in PowerPoint quickly and easily. As you can see, it only takes a few clicks, and it gives you complete creative control over your graphics. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.